Hi, Anthony here from MightyCall, and I have a couple of questions for you. How do you analyze your call center agent's performance? What's the average talk time and handle time in your call center? And is the service level of your agents high enough? If you struggle to answer these, don't worry. That's what this video is for, to show you how simple it is to learn and leverage this information in MightyCall. All your call center analytics can be found in the call volume section in the Reports tab. Let's take a closer look at it. The first thing I want to draw your attention to here is the breakdown, as it directly affects how the data is presented. Pay attention to multiple breakdown options, segment data by time, hour, day, or even quarter, and drill down further by agent, business number, campaign, or work group, offering flexibility in analyzing performance metrics needed in your reports. Let's say I want to analyze each agent's performance over the past month by comparing the results week by week. In this case, I choose employee as the primary breakdown and week as the secondary. Here, we have all the agents at my call center and their activities over the past month, separated by weeks. Now let's take a look at the performance details available. All inbound and outbound calls with different results, including connected and missed, as well as the key metrics such as service level, average wait time, average talk time, and average handle time. If you want to include specific metrics in your report, click on Columns and select the ones you need. For further information, you can filter the data using this panel. Select the call direction, result, business number, certain employee, work group, or campaign to ensure you're viewing only the most relevant information for your analysis. And finally, once your report is ready, you can export it here. Click on the CSV icon and keep your report on file for further analysis or sharing with your team. Another highlight of MightyCall's reports is that you can track changes over time with dynamic metrics. These metrics highlight differences in call volumes between timeframes, making it easier to spot spikes or drops. Now you know that call volume reports can assist you in uncovering the logic behind what's happening in your call center, helping you better understand the performance of your agents, campaigns, work groups, and business numbers. Leverage this data by adjusting your call center operations based on these reports as data. If you still have any questions, please write us in the comments below or use the contacts you see on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Thanks!